In this video, I will show you how to leverage Lindy AI to automate your daily administrative tasks. As we look at the home screen, you can see that Lindy is designed as a personal AI assistant that takes work off your plate. Whether you need to clear your inbox, prep for a meeting, or book a flight to San Francisco, the interface makes it simple to get started with a try-for-free button. Notice the scrolling list of completed actions like sent, booked, and moved, which demonstrates the real-time execution of the platform. The tutorial continues by exploring the chat interface, which looks just like a standard iMessage conversation. Here, Lindy greets you and offers immediate options to check your calendar, draft replies to unread emails, or block out focus time for the next day. It is a very intuitive conversational experience where you just tap a message to trigger a complex workflow. As we scroll down, we see that high-profile teams at companies like Shopify, Apple, Adobe, and McKinsey are already using this tool to optimize their operations. With a high G2 rating, it is clear that professionals are finding immense value in how it summarizes board meetings and follows up with contacts automatically. By letting Lindy handle these repetitive chores, you can focus on the creative work that actually matters. It is essentially having a 24/7 executive assistant right in your pocket. That wraps up our look at how to get started with this powerful automation tool. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Let us know in the comments what task you want to automate first.